Hi, and today I'm going to take you through a topic of twin flame energy exchange. You are aware, that there is two component to the twin flame. Like if you have come like just if you have known that there are you have seen that like you are a person and the other person is a different person, then you will never be able to solve this puzzle of twin flame. You have to absolutely see these two people like just one. Okay, that is the fundamental thing. You are not two. If you start seeing that separation, that he is different and you are different, you will never be able to get rid of this separation. So it is just one, it is like one set of twin flame, and you function like one, and you function with your core values. So in that oneness, there are two components. One is a masculine component, one is a feminine component. I have made different videos where I have taken into the deeper awareness of masculine energy and feminine energy, and now I am trying to put together this both this energy and how both this energy come into function. How do they function externally. Okay, uh, and specifically I'm going to take you through how this energy is functioning when you are in separation. Because when you come into in the harmonious union, it will be very natural to see that thing in the physical reality. But when you are in separation, in that phase also, you experience that energy exchange constantly. Okay, so you and your twin flame are connected in your heart center. You can always tap into your heart center and feel the presence of your twin flame there, and constantly that energy is loving you unconditionally and supporting you to ascend, supporting you to ascend over this separation pain. There is no separation between you and your divinity. There is no separation between you and God, and that's what is your twin flame telling you throughout all this journey. So you will observe, when you are like constantly engaged with your inner work, you are absolutely committed to the healing, and you are determined that you are going to make your harmonious union happen on a fast track. Okay, and you can see and feel that energy very prominently. Like I will share with you my experience. Like when I was constantly because I had experienced two false twin flame experience I had. So with that experience, because when you are attracting a false twin flame, that means you are not attracting love, you are attracting something that is opposite to love, and that's why you will never experience the feeling of love with your false twin flame. Even after just knowing who your true twin flame is, you will understand that energy and you will feel that love, that agitation will settle down. So when you are not attracting your true love, and you are just experiencing the contrast, and I was going through that feeling that I don't deserve love because I am not at all experiencing love. So I was falling into the trap that love is not real, and I don't deserve love, that's why I'm not able to attract that love into my life. But rather than seeing it from a perspective that you don't deserve love, rather than focusing that love component, if you bring your attention to the component of deserving, you'll be able to see a different different dynamic in your twin flame journey. Okay, So love is there, and that love is also real, that harmonious union is real. So the problem is not with love, the problem is with feeling deserving. Okay, and when you are not feeling deserving, how can your twin flame feel that deserving? Your twin flame also don't feel deserve. Okay, like whatever they will see outside, they will feel like, I really don't deserve, or I don't desire all this thing. That's how it will look like. Okay, that's why they will repel, because you don't feel deserved, they don't feel desired. Okay, so you need, and when I was able to heal that deserving, like that non-deserving feeling, I was constantly healing. I was able to heal that within myself by loving myself, and I could able to come to a point of feeling peaceful. And then I felt a shift, that energetic shift, with that feeling itself, I was able to come out of the wall. This is the end of false twin flame, and now this is true twin flame. Now the entry of true twin flame happened. That's why you have to commit and feel deserved, that love is true, love is true. And you actually have to come back and focus where you are not feeling deserving. Okay, and if you see the energy exchange that has happened there, when I was not feeling deserving, so they will not feel that desire towards me. Okay, because I'm not feeling that I deserve to be desired. That's how the energy exchange happens. Okay, you will see, like, they will ignore you, and they will try to stay away from you. They will not feel any connection with you, because you don't feel that you deserve them. And then the other component of the twin flame will not feel that, you like you both of you have to be together in love. Because when you want to attract love, then first you have to start feeling that you deserve love. And then when you feel that love within you, they will feel that desire for that love that you are feeling. Okay, so they always, they feel that, they deserve. That's what they are mirroring to you. They feel that they deserve true love, and here you are with a block that you don't feel you deserve love. They will be confident that they deserve love, and they will be, at times they will be trying to explore in other ways, so that, because they feel they deserve love, so they engage with the things that makes them feel loved. Okay, so once you get into that energy of feeling loved completely within you, and they will be naturally get attracted to the love that you are feeling within you. That will actually, we say, right, that love actually magnetize your twin flame. And the energy exchange, to go deeper, because if I take from a point of view of masculine and feminine, so at a given point of time, your masculine will be giving and you will be receiving. Okay, your masculine will be always ready to give that love to you. Okay, so if you are not able to see that they are actually giving, and all that you see that, they are trying to repel, retract and go away from you, that's because, somewhere that energy of receiving is not there within you. Okay, so rather than seeing that they are trying to give you something, you will actually feel they are trying to take something from you. Okay, so when you come out of this block, you will feel like there will be a harmonious flow between between twin flame, that, they will be constantly able to give you, and you will be able to receive it. and you don't feel that in your separation pay, like when you are separated, when you don't you are not in a physical interaction with them, it will look like like constantly that energy of non-deserving will flow to you. Even if they are not around you, you will still feel that non-deserving energy within you. Energetically, even if they are far away, energetically they will be like trying to guide you to the path where you can feel deserved to be loved. Because even if physically they are far away, their energies are within your heart, and in your heart center you are constantly exchanging that energetic balance between you, and that's how you heal together, right? When you heal that block of receiving from your masculine, you will see that person coming closer to you and giving you constantly. And in that energetic exchange is a continuous process throughout your healing journey also. They keep on exchanging that energy with you, and that's why we say you just choose to heal yourself. That will take care of your twin flames healing, because you are connected. So just heal yourself, just heal yourself. uh, Let me know if there are anything that is blocking you to connect with your energy and receiving your masculine or receiving your feminine, or like your feminine is blocking to receive from you. You can connect with me. Thank you.